Hi, I'm Emily Nelson, Territory Sales Manager for Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove Appliances in the Orange County and South Bay market. Today I'd like to show you our Wolf coffee maker. On our coffee system, we have a nice, clean, easy to read menu with all of your drinks nicely laid out. You're able to select different sizes depending on what you like, as well as strengths, including pre-ground options as well. We have 6 different profiles, so each family member has an opportunity to make their customized drink each and every morning. To refill the water, you simply open up the front and pull out our 80-ounce water container. This will keep you well caffeinated for about 9 cups of coffee before refill. The nice thing is you can put this anywhere in the home because it doesn't require a water line. Cleaning is a breeze by flipping down the front and pulling out your grounds. These can easily be dumped and then drop it back in and you're ready to go. If you'd like to experience the Wolf Coffee Maker, visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance. They also have locations in Calabasas, Studio City, and Costa Mesa.